Udakwe insangu wena. Yekela lezi yobiso ziza. Host, awutrophele njalo because we are discussing serious things. Yena uzabona amasimba akhe.
You think you
She knows very well that person was a Zimbabwean and then you are trying to
I know for a fact, don't come and screw me over. I know for a fact. Mankind won't be a mankind in a case because I'm talking from something that I know. This is my experience. Don't invalidate my feelings.
Mamela, you said you failed to trust the person because he was undocumented. How did you know he was Zimbabwean?
Because when we went to the crime of the scene, they told us his name. His name was Patties, and they told us he was from Zimbabwe. We went to his house. He ran away. So don't.
Who told you that?
The weakness is
when we went to the scene, when
the
I
weakness is
you,
piece of shit.
You don't listen. Listening is a skill.
Here you come again. You see, you come with your stupid story when I see you think you can.
Death certificate. My mom was unalive.
Who said the person was from
and when we went there with the police, it was a Zimbabwean national.
Can you come down? Hey, host, can you do us a favor and drop this fucking shit off of me?
Please drop this idiot. Let him go to the cave.
Drop this food.
Futhi wena.
Wena unamasende wena ngazotshela ngikubuza ukuthi abazali bangena apho wena lento ngena amasende. Unyoka ungena. No. Usilima sendoda wena. Unyoka ungena.
You don't
listen. I futhi wena man.
Keep quiet. Wena
khipha la masimba man.
Hey futhi wena man.
Khipha la masimba.
No.
Usabunangu wabo nozofinyela. Hamba uzwela lapha eZimbabwe.
You can cry.
And get
you
out
can
of country.
cry blood, cry blood.
And these people are a chance to be part of South Africa, and they refuse.
Tell us, how did you know the person was Zimbabwean?
I'm telling you a fact. This is something that affected my family directly. And it was investigated and everything, all the facts were established. The guy's name was Patties and he's from Zimbabwe. You can go and search your brothers. Go back home and leave us alone.
You think we are fools like your father?
Let's be emotional, guys. Let's not be emotional. Let's not be emotional. Let's engage. Let's not be emotional.
I was coming to that. Speak to your
going
point.
around lying. How did you know the person was
Speak to this point.
Yeah, I want to go to Slim.
Speak to this point.
Clearly, you were not listening.
Ucabanga uthonke suke eKZN.
Wena sifebe sendoda nondindwa. Lento enyenyesayo. Lento zamasimba abantwana. Auspicious khipha la masimba.
And another thing.
Uyomlobola ngemali yokudunusela amanye amadoda. Uyomlobola ngemali yokudunusela amanye amadoda. Uyomlobola ngemali yokudunusela amanye amadoda.
Kuthetha into eyi-1 from 4
Ngisho ukuthi uyomlobola ngemali yokudunusela amadoda na.
Ngithi yes, okusalayo ngiyamthatha ngifake endlini yami.
Uyobanikani ngoba uhlala ukakile. Bazokhona ngomuntu ogcoka ipampers.
Relax, guys.
Guys, and what is happening proves to us how heartless Zimbabweans are. We are talking about the serious issue. He's coming here and talking nonsense. Bro, mina even noma ngathiwa singahlangana ungavela ubhoshe nje ungathi
ngithula mfana omzulu angihlangani
ungathi nangezandla ungavela ubhosha ngaze ngokufaka campus.
Mfana omzulu ngabe uyazi kahle
suka into yazi ukudunusa wena.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Uzohlangana naye kuphi ngoba uyadunusa Mabele, indoda enamabele, now istabani musi.
Look at yourself.
Look at
me. I'm proud of myself. That's why I had to turn the camera.
We know your father is Nigerian. Look at your square head. Go to Nigeria and look for your father. South Africa
No,
South Africa has been infiltrated. Now they are claiming to be South African with their squarehead. We are tired of people claiming to be South African.
Open your mic.
Sitevuli camera wena lapha emkhukhwini wakho wena njandini eZimbabwe.
Nathi, wait, Nathi, you see why I have a problem with you. A woman comes here cares about what happened to a family. This man does not only insult her, he also insults the father. But you
didn't address that by telling you don't be emotional.
But you are defending this.
Why are we bringing emotionals here? Why are we bringing emotions here? Why?
Okay, so we can be fathers and mothers. Is that what you say?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not promoting that. Listen to me.
So why didn't you call mankind into order?
No, I will call him into order.
Hello, guys. Okay, can I come in now? Can I please say something? I want to know if deputy president of the country in South Africa, the guy is not a South African. Why is he not being removed? Because the guy is from Malawi. Thank you.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you.
Now we kwere wena. Now we kwere wena nala mabele yako makulu.
African, I will fight for my African brothers.
Uskipela ne cleavage la maro claim ukuthi indoda. I'm sure the 4-5 yakho ilingana na lento ya lo sisi lo bathu ban lo mankind.
What are you trying to say, Fit?
Ngithi unamabele marutle window twistabani na nina that's why nisingena niyitabani
Last week wasifundisana uqala. Let me tell you, hey Nico, mawasifundisa ukuvala umlomo. Learn, practice how to close your mouth without us seeing your teeth, then you shall prosper in life. For now, as long as
amalenzi wangkhona wena uphiza uqinusile lapho ungakhuluma nomuntu odliwa umdidi mina
Meet yourself wena mfana eNigeria.
Boss wena udliwa umdidi yena ugcoka ipampasi lapho khona umdidi uyashisa that's why unomlomo omkhulu njandini.
This guy's father,
why wena ungavuli camera sikubuka ubi kangakanani?
Look at yourself.
You are not South African.
Ngithi why ungavuli camera sibone lobubi bakho ukuthi likhona iZimbabwe lihle.
We know about South Africans how they look. Look at yourself.
Phela makunomuntu waseZimbabwe umuntu waseZimbabwe omhlophe wazi ukuthi umama wakhe ugrade lamabhunu labo wanama plus
wena baba bisu
you are a mixed breed. Zimbabwean and Nigerian, and then you want to hate your African brothers and sisters. You have Zimbabwean blood, but yet you speak too much.
Not just Zimbabwean, it's Zimbabwean, Malawian, and Nigerian. 3 mixes. I don't know what happened to this guy.
Nati, I feel like you need to do a self-introspection. We are talking about a serious issue here. And then what you can do is to defend your friend who's taking this issue lightly. And we
the lady asked us a simple question, Guti. And GBP, what did you say about Paul Masha Ayman? Can you respond about the Paul Masha the question again? Can you ask us the question about Paul Masha again?
Wena thini iphutshela bakini uthi nje ngiyabuya ngizobhadala amalobolo ngizothatha wena nomfazi wakho
labantwana. Yeah, come to South Africa. I've been waiting for you. I'll be waiting.
Yeah, no,
it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, you can come. The Papa, can you repeat your question?
Umuntu uyabadom kodwa yabona
lobuthi question the
Papa. My question was, why deputy president of South Africa is ingumfana waseMalawi and no one is making noise.
Kusho bani ukuthi waseMalawi?
Ngicela ke nini angithi ngiyakutshela, so do some background check for the guy.
We are listening. We are listening.
This man was born in Tshwane. Uyayazi iTshwane kuphi iseMalawi? iPitori iseMalawi. Okay. The Papa is vuli mic. Let's engage. Mauti, no, we are. Go. You are smart. Go and open your Google and try and get the proper research.
No, Mamelan, the guy is not born in South Africa. He's not a South African.
King, keep quiet and let her finish.
Dumela, ke ne ke tlo dumedisa la lagisa ke a tswa.
Ntato ka to mo di ma lo mo pela o mo wa Nigeria wa Zimbabwe ba tla o etsa busy. Yeah, you can ask her, what do you say, my sister?
Let her share a submission.
The papas continue.
The papas, you can continue.
Silence means consent.
I thought smart. King, I thought you smart. I thought you have power. Nah. I guess you're one of them. You're so stupid as fuck, bro. Like, what the fuck? I thought you smart, man. Like,
what is
Nati, okay, King, can you come down? I'll speak on this one. Oh, okay. We are saying that Mashatile is a Malawian. Okay, firstly, we need to look at the facts. When was Mashatile born? And what was the demarcation saying by that time? And when we come back, and we need to look at the resolution of demarcations that came in 1986. What did those demarcations say? So that we will have facts. I'm not saying that she's lying, that Mashatile's father is from Malawi, but we need to deal with facts. And after that, we see, are we able to say, no, Mashatile can't be a president in South Africa because he's a Malawian. That's what I want us to look at.